Subong Park is right next to the Chogyesa Temple, which we are going to see right now. I hope there's a way in here. Oh yes, there is. So we are at the back of the temple. After this, I'm gonna show you the other March 1 independent historical sites. They're all around here in the area in Insadong in Jongno, Seoul. Now we will move to the Taewa building, which used to house the Taewa Guan restaurant or Taewa Guan Sikdang. It also happens to be the shooting location of Love Scout. Now this is also a shooting location of another Korean drama. Welcome to Samdalri. Now this is Taewa building. This white building. So that's the shooting location of Love Scout. Declaration of Independence of Korea. So we're inside the building. So I'm not sure, but I feel like this church here we are approaching is also part of the March 1 independence movement, because like I've read on the stone in Tewa building, the different religions, Christians, Buddhist, and another group of religion joined together to sign the Independent Declaration. That's independence from the Japanese rule. So let's go check this out. So I am at this side right now. So this is the Sungdong Kyoe or Sungdong Presbyterian Church. Oh, so this is where the planning happened on February 20 by some student leaders, Kim Won-byuk. So yes, this church was part of the March 1 independence movement. So they have now a banner here for the celebration on March 2 from 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. I guess it's a service. In 2004, yet the photos are still black and white. So that was the Sungdong Presbyterian Church, and over here is their 130th anniversary hall. Unfortunately, the church is closed, so I cannot show you what's inside, and this also is already closed. So now we move to the Anguk train station. They have some information about the March 1 independence movement. So this is Insadong, a famous tourist area also for contemporary art galleries and traditional souvenirs. Did I say art gallery? So we are now at the Anguk subway station. Okay, so this is the map of the March 1st Independence Movement. So these are the historical sites. So we have been to where we went to Tewaguan site number 8. Top Goal Park, shooting location of Squid Game 2 number 8. We have been here, Tewa, and this one, Sungdong Church. And this is Top Goal Park, it's also nearby. And we are here right now, Anguk Station near Exit 4. This is the 100-year gate. This is the gate, the blue gate. So Jondo Church, it's near exit 6. And this one is also shooting location of another Netflix drama, Hierarchy. And over here, Jungang Gudong Hakyo, Jungang High School. Many dramas have shot here also. Let's check out the 100 gate. So they call this the 100 charging station. You could charge your phone in this area. Blue gate, that one. And this is the 100 tower with photos of the historical figures of the March 1 Independence Day movement. And Filipino tourists. The blue map of the, we've seen the map, Constitution, Independence Fighter. So there's some informatics. So it was announced in the newspaper. Oh, Japanese newspaper. 2 days after. Mansei. The route of the Korean Provisional Government. We start number 1 from China, Shanghai, 1919 to 1932. Hangzhou, 1932. 1935, Zhejiang. 1937, Changsha. 1938, Guangzhou to Linzhou. 1939, Kijang. 1940, Chongqing, and then it returned to Korea. 1945. August 15, 1948, establishment of the Republic of Korea government. And then this is the 100-year commemoration of the March 1st Independence Movement. So this were built in 2019, 6 years ago. King Gojong abdicated 1907. (1919) King Gojong passes away in Doksogung Palace. It's Doksogung Gate. So that led to March 1st movement. Taragon. Tapco Park. Student march from Namdaemun Station.